Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is 11th session on this chapter. Today, let us discuss revision exercises on this chapter. First, we have multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option. Question number 1 is 11 into 10 into 10 is equal to dash. Here we should find the product of 11, 10 and 10. So we know that when you multiply 10 by 10, we get 100 as product. On multiplying 10 by 10, we get 100 as the product. So now, what do we get on multiplying 11 by 100? Yes, I'll write here. So when we multiply 10 by 10, we get 100 as product, and on multiplying 11 by 100, 11 into 100, so is just 11 followed by 2 zeros. What we do when we multiply 11 by 100, we put 2 zeros towards right of this number, so that gives the product. So therefore, in the given options, see option A is 1000 and option B is 1100, which is the correct answer for this question. So let us mark option B as correct answer. Now let us move to second question. Question number 2. What is the product of the greatest two-digit number and the smallest two-digit number? The greatest two-digit number is 99, isn't it? The greatest two-digit number is 99. So 99, and the smallest two-digit number is 10. So the product of 99 and 10. How do we get this? So we put 10 because we are multiplying by 10. So if you write 99 and if you put 10, that will be the product of 99 and 10. Therefore, 990 is the correct answer for this question. In the option A, we have 9990. Option B is 1000. Option C is 990. And option D is 90. Since option C is 990, let us mark option C as correct answer. Moving to next question. Question number 3. On the occasion of her birthday, Asha gave 10 toffees to each student of her class and kept 5 for herself. If there are 32 students in Asha's class, how many toffees did she distribute? ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಶಾ ಅವರ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಯ ದಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸಿಗೆ 10 ಟಾಫೀಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೂ 10 ಟಾಫೀಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 32 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆಶಾ ಅವರು ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಫೀಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 32 by 10. So what do we get on multiplying 32 by 10? I think no need to write down this and multiply, because multiplying 32 by 10 can be done just by looking at the numbers. So if you put 10 towards right of 32, that will be the product of 32 and 10, that is 320. Here in option A we have 320, which is the correct answer. Let us mark A as correct answer option. Question number 4. The product of 896 and 0 is. So when you multiply any number by 0, the product will be 0. Look at the answer options. In option D we have 0. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So let us move to next section of this exercise. Let's practice. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. So we have blank spaces given here, and we should fill in these blanks with correct answers. Question A. Here we have 8 into 4. On the same line we have 8 into 40. Again, if you move forward, we have 80 into 4. So look at these numbers. 8 into 4. Here we have 8 into 40. So we have multiple of tens here. So if you know the product of 8 and 4, we can easily write down the answers for these two also. So let us answer this. 8 into 4 is 8 4s are 32. So if you know this, we can easily write answers in these two blanks. That is, if 8 into 4 is 32, 8 into 40 is 320. Just we need to put 1 0 towards right of this answer. So we get 320 as the product of 8 and 40. Moving here, we have 80 into 4. So again, the product will be same, because if you multiply 8 into 4, you will get 32. Just you need to put 1 0 to the right of the answer and you get 320. So 8 into 40 is 320 and 80 into 40 is also 320. Similarly, we will answer the rest of the questions here. B. 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63 and 7 into 90. 7 into 90 is 630. That is, we put 1 0 to the right of this product to get 7 into 90. And again 70 into 9 is also 630. So next question C. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. And 5 into 30 is equal to 150. We put 1 0 to the right of this answer. So 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 into 30 becomes 150 because we have 1 0 in this number, that is 30. Coming to the next product here, 50 into 3. 50 into 3 is also 150. D. 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12 and 6 into 20. Here we had 2, but here we have 20. So on multiplying 20 and 6, we get 120 as product, and also multiplying 60 by 2, we get 120 as the product. E. 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36 and 4 into 90 is 360 and 40 into 9 is also 360. So this is how we can write down the answers easily if we know the products of such numbers. Products of multiples of tens, hundreds and thousands and so on will be very easy if you know the products of the digits like this. Moving ahead to the next question, question number 2. Here we have find the following products. We have to multiply these numbers A, B, C, D and all up to M, N, O. So we should find the products of the numbers given here. Now let us solve these questions one by one. First look at question A. Here we have 32 into 7. That is, we have to multiply 32 by 7. Let's do it now. 7 2s are 14. So 14 ones are regrouped as 4 ones and 1 10. So 4 is written here, 110 is carried forward to tens place. Now we multiply 3 by 7. 7 3 is a 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So we write 22 here. Therefore, 224 is the product of 32 and 7. Now let us move to next question. B. Here we have 42 into 5. Let's multiply now. 5 2s are 10. We write 0 in one's place. 110 is carried forward to tens place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Therefore, 210 is the product. Next, C. 55 into 6. 6 5s are 30. So we write 0 in one's place and 3 is carried forward to tens place. Again 6 5 is a 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 330 is the product of 55 and 6. Next question is D. 92 into 8. 8 2s are 16. We write 6 in one's place. 110 is carried forward. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. Therefore, 736 is the product of 92 and 8. Next question is E. 69 into 3. Let's multiply 69 by 3. 3 9s are 27. We write 7 in one's place. 2 tens are carried forward to tens place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 207 is the product of 69 and 3. Now let us move to the next question. F. Here we have 501 into 3. This is a 3-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number. So 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1 is 3. We write 3 in one's place. And in the tens place we have 0. And we know that multiplying 0 by any number will give us 0. Therefore, in the answer also we will be having 0 in tens place. 3 into 0 is 0. Then 3 5s are 15. So we write 15 here. 1 will be in thousands place. 5 will be in hundreds place. Therefore, the product of 501 and 3 is 1503. Next question. G. We have 753 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. We write 2 in one's place. 110 is carried forward to tens place. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. We write 1 in tens place and 2 is carried forward to hundreds place, 2 hundreds, because we are regrouping 21 tens as 110 and 2 hundreds. So now we multiply 7 by 4. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So 3 is in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place. So now 3012 is the product of 753 and 4. Next question is H. 920 into 7. So multiplying 0 by 7 we get 0. And multiplying 2 by 7, 7 to the 14. So 14 tens are regrouped as 4 tens and 100. So 4 is written in tens place. 100 is carried forward to hundreds place. Now 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. So 6440 is the product of 920 and 7. Next question is I. Here we have 334 into 8. So let's multiply this number by 8. 8 fours are 32. 32 ones are regrouped as 2 ones and 3 tens. So let's write 2 ones in ones place and 3 tens are carried forward to tens column. Now let's multiply 3 by 8. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And 27 tens are regrouped as 2 hundreds and 7 tens. So let's write 7 tens in tens place and 2 hundreds are carried forward to hundreds place. Now we multiply 3 by 8. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So we get 2672 as the product of 334 and 8. Next question is J. Here we have 418 into 8. So we multiply 8 by 8 first, which are in ones place. So 8 8s are 64. So we write 4 in ones place. 6 tens are carried forward. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So we write 4 in tens place. 100 is carried forward to hundreds place. Now 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Therefore, 3344 is the product of 418 and 8. Next question is K. Here we have 32 into 11. So both of these are 2-digit numbers. Let us rewrite this question and find the product. So I will write down the question here. 32 into 11. Now let us multiply. So to begin with, we have to consider the digit at ones place in the multiplier. We know that 32 is multiplicand and 11 is multiplier. So in this multiplier, we consider the digit in ones place first and multiply both of the digits, and then we consider the other digit. So let's multiply 32 by 1 here. So I'm multiplying 1 2 is 2. So I write 2 here, and 1 3 is 3. I write 3 here. Next we have to multiply 32 by the 1 in tens place here. So while doing that, we should put a 0 in ones place of this product. It's important, you should remember. So now we multiply 1 2 is 2, and that is written here in tens place here. So 1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3. So 3 is written in hundreds place here. So now we have to add these two numbers to get the product of 32 and 11. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have only 3 here. So 3 will be written here. Therefore, 352 is the product of 32 and 11. Now let us move to the next question. L 65 into 13. Let us rewrite and multiply. So this can be written like this also, one below the other. So like 65 into 13. We can write here also. We can write vertically and we can multiply, or we can write in the same line and multiply. Multiplication will be as usual. So 3 5s are 15. We write 5 here. 1 is carried forward to tens place. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 195. So now we multiply 65 by 1. But before that, we will put a 0 in one's place here. So now 1 5 is 5. 5 is written in tens place here. And 1 6 is 6. 6 is written in hundreds place here. Now we should add these two numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. We write 4 here. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Therefore, 845 is the product of 65 and 13. Next question is M 48 into 24. So I write down in the same line now. 48 into 24. 4 8s are 32. So 2 is written in one's place. 3 is carried forward. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Next we will multiply 48 by 2. But just before that we should put a 0 in one's place of this product. So now 2 8s are 16. So we write 6 here. And 1 is carried forward. And 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we add these two products. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. That is 1152 is the product of 48 and 24. Next question is N 102 into 18. So 102 into 18. So 8 2s are 16. So I write 16 here because the next digit in tens place is 0. When we multiply 8 into 0 we get 0 and the 110 carried forward will be brought down. Therefore 8 2s are 16 can be written like this when there is a 0 in tens place. 8 1s are 8. Now we put a 0 here and then multiply this number by 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 1s are 1. Add these two products. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. We have 1 here. So 1836 is the product of 102 and 18. Next and last question of this section, that is 321 into 12. Let me write this number here. 321 into 12. We multiply by 2 first. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. We put a 0 here and then multiply by 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Now we add these two products. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have only 3 here. Or 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore 3852 is the product of 321 and 12. So this is how we can multiply and find the products of a 3-digit number and a single digit number, and in these cases we have found the products of a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. So in question number 3 we have tick the correct answer. So we have to put a tick mark to the correct answers given in the brackets here. Question is given and the answers are, two answers are given within the brackets. So we should put a tick mark just above the correct answer. A. 64 into 10. 64 into 10 is, yes, 640. We will put 10 just after 64. So the answer will be 640. So let us put a tick mark just above 640 here. This is the correct answer. Coming to B, we have 92 into 100. The product will be, there should be 2 zeros after 92. So here we have only 1 0. So this is not the correct answer. If you look at this, you have 9200. That is 9200 is the correct answer for 92 into 100. C. A blank space is given here. Dash into 10 is equal to 2000. So if you multiply 2 by 10, you will get 200, isn't it? And if you multiply 200 by 10, you will get 2000 as product. Therefore, 200 is the correct answer and we'll put a tick mark just above it. D. Dash into 100 is equal to 600. So the answer should be 6 because 6 into 100 is 600. So we will put a tick mark just above 6 here. So this is how we can answer such questions. So I hope you understood all the questions we discussed in today's session. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.